Here is another probability questions, and then this is related to tree diagram. Tree diagram will help you to analyze the situation. But in this case, they say that for every times she throw, and then the probability to hit the target is 0.7. And then in total, we do repeat the same action for 4 times. And then we have to find the case at most 3 times. Beware that at most 3 times, that means include multiple outcomes. It can be 0 times, can be 1 time, can be 2 times, can be 3 times, and can be 4 times. So you can choose to calculate from 0 to 3. This is what asked in the questions. You may get it term by term, or in short, you may just simply get the excluded item, and then you just use all possibility. That means 1 minus the probability of this outcome. So our strategy is at most 3. That means 1 exclude the only one left 4 times. And that's why we are going to calculate the probability that we hit 4 times in a row. Every time we hit the target is 0.7, and then we have to repeat the same action for 4 times, so this is power of 4. It's 0.2401. Around 24% that Teresa can hit the target for 4 times together. And then that's why our final answer is equal to 1 minus 0.2401. Then we get the answer is C, 0.7599. One thing to remind you, maybe some of you want to, even they know that this method is not appropriate here, but they also want to know how can we get this item one by one. So the following time I am going to show you how to get this item. The probability of 0 times are as easy as 4 times. So that's why it is equal to do not hit the target 0.3 chance and then power of 4 repeated for 4 times, which is 0.0081. For 1 time, the probability is we have 0.7 hit the target 1 time, and also 0.3 this probability appear 3 times. And not only this, maybe we can have take cross 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 or different order, cross take cross cross, or cross cross take cross, or like this. So we have in total 4 times. It seems like we are arranging the position for take. So among 4 we choose 1. This is 4C1. 0.0756. Similar reason for 2 times. Among 4 space, we have to choose 2 space to put take inside, and then take, that means hit the target, appear twice. Do not hit the target, appear twice also. Then we get 0.2646. The last one, we have to reserve a space for take, and then among 4 space we have to choose 3 out of them, and then 0.7 hits 3 times, appear 3 times, and 0.3 appear 1 times. We get 0.4116. To be more systematic, the first term, that means among 4 space we don't reserve any space for take, so among 4 we choose 0 of them. And the 4 times is among 4 space we use all 4 space, so only 1 combination. If you add all this together, then you will get the same answer. This is the method that all M1 students need to learn. But for other students, just let you know, this method is so complicated. So just simply use the SMART method. List out all the possibility, identify you just don't want this term. So rather than compare all these terms, we are going to calculate this part only.